Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 4, Religious Festivals in Pakistan, and today I will deliver its third lecture. But before moving on towards our main lecture, let's quickly revise what we did in the previous lecture. So my dear students, quickly tell me, what is a festival? A festival is a special occasion. Why are festivals celebrated? These special occasions or festivals are celebrated to connect people together, to build harmony, to maintain peace in the society. So my dear students, as you know that we in the previous 2 lectures, we discussed about 2 of the main Muslim festivals, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. So my dear students, today we will discuss about other religious festivals which are celebrated by other faiths and other religions. So today all the students will be able to identify other religious and cultural festivals of other faiths celebrated in Pakistan. पाकिस्तान में जो दूसरे मज़ाहिब और जो दूसरे कल्चर्स हैं, उनके कल्चरल या उनके जो रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल्स हैं, वो कौन-कौन से हैं, वो उनको कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, किन ओकेजन्स पे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, we will discuss about that today. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the best aspect of faith is patience and forbearance. So my dear students, नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया कि ईमान का बेहतरीन पहलू सब्र और तहम्मुल है. यहाँ इस इस्लामिक पर्सपेक्टिव को बयान करने का या डिस्कस करने का मकसद ये है कि जैसे आप अपने फेस्टिवल्स को बहुत जोशो खरोश से और बहुत खुशी से मनाते हैं, इसी तरह तमाम मज़ाहिब को ये हक हासिल है, इट इज़ देयर राइट टू सेलिब्रेट देयर फेस्टिवल्स विद फुल ज़ील एंड ज़िस्ट, और उनको कोई रुकावट नहीं होनी चाहिए, उनको इस बात में कोई तंगी नहीं होनी चाहिए, और आपको हर किसी का जो फेथ और रिलीजन है उसको सब्र और तहम्मुल के साथ एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए, बर्दाश्त करना चाहिए. So my dear students, let's quickly move forward towards the pre-reading question. Why do you celebrate Eid al-Fitr? We celebrate Eid al-Fitr after the month of Ramadan on the 1st of Shawwal to pay gratitude or to show gratitude towards Allah. Why do you celebrate Eid al-Adha? Yes, because we pay tribute and in the memory of the great sacrifice performed by Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam's Muslims throughout the world celebrate Eid al-Adha every year on 10th Zilhajj. So my dear students, it was a complete recap of previous 2 lectures कि हमने Eid al-Fitr और Eid al-Adha के बारे में पढ़ा था. Now we will discuss about the other religious festivals, other festivals celebrated by other religions. So we will start with Christmas. Quickly open it in your books, unit number 4. I hope everybody has opened this page. Let's quickly start the reading, but before that, let's quickly look at the pictures given on this page. So you will look at here. Here is a snowman. There are plenty of Christmas trees decorated. So this shows Christmas. And we will discuss about this picture later. So Christmas, start reading with me. It is an important religious festival of Christians. It is an important religious festival of Christians. The Christians believe that 25th December is the day of birth of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th of December. So my dear students, because we are studying about Christmas, so Christmas जो है वो Christians का मजहबी त्यौहार है, और ये इसलिए मनाया जाता है कि Christians को ये लगता है, they believe, it is their belief कि 25 दिसंबर को on 25th December Hazrat Isa alayhi salam was born. So that is why they celebrate Christmas on 25th December every year. So this was about Christmas. They decorate their homes with the Christmas trees and they put presents under it, and they believe there's a Santa Claus, and this is how they celebrate Christmas. Now we will discuss about Diwali. Now again, first we will look at the picture here. So here you can see a lot of colors and a lot of earthen lamps, यानी कि जिनको दिए कहा जाता है. So इस दिन जो है दिवाली जो है, जो ये फेस्टिवल है, इसको लाइट्स का फेस्टिवल या रोशनियों का त्यौहार भी कहा जाता है. और इस दिन जो हिंदूज हैं, दे put a lot of earthen lamps, lighting करते हैं, because it is called the festival of lights. So let's read about it now. Diwali. Diwali. It is a festival of lights, यानी कि ये रोशनियों का त्यौहार है. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus, Sikhs, and Jains. In this festival, people decorate their homes with oil lamps, or they are also called earthen lamps, यानी कि मिट्टी के दिए. They design, make rangoli with different colors, यानी कि वो रंगों से डेकोरेशन करते हैं, जिसको रंगोली कहा जाता है. They also give gifts to their family, friends, and their relatives. So this is how people from another religion, from Hindus and Sikhs and Jains, they celebrate Diwali. They decorate their homes with colors, and they also decorate them with oil lamps and earthen lamps. Lighting होती है बहुत ज़्यादा. इसके अलावा एक दूसरे को तोहफे तहाइफ दिए जाते हैं, मुख्तलिफ तरह के पकवान बनते हैं. So this is how Diwali is celebrated. Now let's discuss about Baisakhi. Baisakhi. It is the New Year celebrations of Sikhs. They celebrate it with great passion. They cook different foods and share it with their closed ones. They also visit Gurdwara. So my dear students, Sikh जो है उनका एक cultural festival है, which is called Baisakhi. और ये नए साल के आमद के जो शुरू होता है जब when it is started, so they celebrate Baisakhi as a New Year festival. और इस दिन जो है ये गुरुद्वारा जाते हैं, म्यूजिक मुख्तलिफ तरह के बजाए जाते हैं. They visit their family and their friends. So kids, to celebrate your festivals, but show respect to other faiths and their festivals too. Only then you can spread peace and love in your society. So my dear students, आप अपना मजहबी त्यौहार या अपना कल्चरल फेस्टिवल है उसको ज़रूर सेलिब्रेट करें, लेकिन दूसरों के जो त्यौहार हैं उनकी भी रिस्पेक्ट करें. इसी तरह से सोसाइटी में पीस, लव एंड हार्मनी जो है वो बढ़ेगी, एंड there will be peace all around you. So my dear students, now is the time for practice. For practice, you will open the writing practice in unit number 4. I hope everybody has opened the page. My dear students, you also need your notebook to do the question. So question number 3 will be done in your notebooks. Why do Sikhs celebrate Baisakhi? Sikh Baisakhi का festival क्यों मनाते हैं? They celebrate it on New Year. ठीक है, हर नए साल पे they celebrate Baisakhi to welcome New Year. So my dear students, now is the time for picture reading practice. This is also given with unit number 4. So here are different pictures. Identify the festivals shown in given pictures. So some pictures are given to you और आपको guess करना है ये कौन सा festival है. पहला festival है, people are embracing each other after Eid Namaz. So this is Eid al-Fitr. Then kids are with their animals. This is Eid al-Azha. And then there is light everywhere. So this is Festival of Lights, Diwali. And Santa Claus, Christmas tree. So this is Christmas. So this is how you will complete this reading, picture reading practice. I hope everybody has finished it. Now we will move forward towards your evaluation. For that, I will ask some listening and speaking questions to you. Quickly listen to them carefully and then answer. Who celebrates Christmas? Christians. Very good. Why is Christmas celebrated? Because according to Christians' belief, Hazrat Isa was born on 25th of December. So that is why every year on 25th December, Christians celebrate Christmas. What is Baisakhi? It is the festival of six celebrated in New Year, to welcome New Year. What is Diwali? It is the festival of lights. Who celebrates Diwali? Hindus, Sikhs and Jains. Name some of the festivals celebrated in Pakistan. Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Azha, Christmas, Diwali, Baisakhi. These are some festivals celebrated in Pakistan. When is Christmas celebrated? It is celebrated on 25th of December every year. So my dear students, very nice. Now you know about all the festivals. Now is the time for homework. For homework, you need this worksheet and you can download it from the description box below this video, or you can also get it in print form by your teacher. So my dear students, some fill in the blanks and a word bank is given to you. आपको इसकी help से fill in the blanks को complete करना है. Festivals. Fill in the blanks. This is the word bank. You need to complete it with the help of this. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December. Christmas is a religious festival of Christians. Number 3, dash is a festival of lights. Diwali. Diwali is celebrated by the followers of dash faith. Hindu. Sikhs celebrate the festival of dash at the beginning of their new year. Baisakhi. Sikhs also go to Gurdwara. So this is how you will complete your fill in the blanks. And then a creative question. How do you celebrate your religious festival? Write a few sentences. Whosoever is watching me, how do you celebrate your religious festival? क्या special आप करते हैं which is different from others? Whichever faith or religion you belong to, you will write about your religious festival and how you celebrate it. So my dear students, this is your homework, and then we will move forward towards an activity. So what is the activity? Let's have a look. Independent activity. Ask your parents about some other festivals celebrated by different faiths in Pakistan. Listen to them carefully and note down the important informations. You can collect relevant pictures too. Compile the collected information and present it in your class. So my dear students, क्योंकि आपने अब इतने सारे religious festivals के बारे में पढ़ लिया है, अब आपको क्या करना है कि आपको अपने parents से discuss करना है some other than given in the book. आपको दूसरे किसी festival के बारे में discuss करना है, like Holi. This is also another festival celebrated by Hindus. और आप इनकी pictures भी collect कर सकते हैं, और इसके बाद you can compile all the information and share it with your class and your class fellows. You can also make a chart on it and then you can paste it in your class. So my dear students, what have we learned today? Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha. Christmas is celebrated by Christians on 25th December every year. Diwali is the festival of Hindus and Jains. Baisakhi is the celebration of New Year by Sikhs. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.